I don't know where to really start today's video. I read the comments on the last upload, all 18,000 of them. I realized a lot of you guys are disappointed. We're selling half the car collection, the GT, the C8 Corvette, the Supra, and the Focus RS. But trust me, boys, like, we are moving on to that next level, that next upper echelon. Back in 2015, I bought the Gallardo. That completely transformed the channel. And then in 2018, I bought the flagship, the Aventador. We are reaching toward that upper echelon now, and I'm so excited to share the journey with you guys. You just have to trust the process. I mean, I realize these cars are a staple of the channel. We've had so many great memories, but we got so many more great memories in the future. And on that bombshell, the C8 Corvette has sold. It's the first of the 4 cars to be sold. A fellow YouTuber actually from Idaho Falls, Idaho is coming to pick it up. He should be here in maybe 4 or 5 hours. My last upload has 91,218 likes. We need 100,000 if you guys want to see me bury the limo. Please go smash the like button. I can't look at that thing anymore. Every single thing I've said about this car is true. Like, it rips. Oh my gosh, I really am gonna miss this car. But sometimes in life, other opportunities present themselves and you gotta run with them. I definitely shouldn't. Whoa, bro! Are you kidding me? Wow, I was just gonna say I shouldn't do launch control, but I want to do launch control. Also, there's a police officer right there, and that guy just blew through that red light. Traction control off, stability control off. This is our final launch control, hit it! Okay, so I kind of let off. We didn't get up to 60. Oh, we did. We did in 3.8, but I let off way early. I got cold feet. What a journey it's been. 5,748 miles. The car's on empty. Obviously, I'm not gonna sell my car on empty. I really am gonna miss it. This is incredibly embarrassing. I forgot my wallet, so we are headed home. I really only have one complaint on the C8 Corvette. It just doesn't sound very good. It's a Corvette, like it's an American muscle car. I realize you can pay an arm and a leg, get an aftermarket exhaust and it sounds incredible, but like from factory you want more. Also, spin class in the C8, like we've done donuts. But the donuts in the C8 Corvette, like the electronics are barking at you constantly. It's cutting fuel. Donuts in the 4GT, now that's America. The C8, I just wish there was a donut button. Unfortunately, we only had the white Vossen wheels for like a week, but wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. And again. Oh, that's on me. Oscar, the C8's being sold, dude. We gotta get the keys and we gotta get the title. Where did I put the title? Both keys, we got the title and other miscellaneous paperwork. Another massive shout out to Chevy, dude. Boys, if you're looking for a C8 Corvette, he is the legend. Mike, thank you so much for all the help getting my C8. Maybe there's a ZR1 or a Z06 in the future though. I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by Harry's. I know you guys hate going to the store because I hate going to the store, and the founders of Harry's, they also hate going to the store, especially when the product you're buying is overpriced or it under delivers. We've all bought razors that were way expensive, overly complicated, but we've also bought the cheap razors that irritate your skin. Harry's is a personal care brand that has completely reinvented the way men and women shave. Their razors are ultra affordable and ultra convenient. They deliver refills right to your house. Harry's prices are insanely good. Refills start at just $2 and they're mailed directly to your house on your schedule. And Harry's offers a 100% money back guarantee. Now the razors are really good quality. They're manufactured in Germany at a factory that has been manufacturing razors for over 100 years. Harry's starter set includes a weighted handle, a 5-blade razor cartridge, foaming shave gel, and a travel cover to protect your blades. Honestly, the deal Harry's is currently running on their trial set is amazing. You'll get everything you need for a clean, comfortable shave for just $3. Link below, harrys.com/Stradman. Boys, go support me. Go join the 10 million people who've already tried Harry's. harrys.com/Stradman. It's still not fully sinking in that the C8 Corvette is officially being sold. It's definitely bittersweet. So Chandler, who's buying it from Idaho, he's gonna be here in 20 minutes. Now I wanna make it kind of sort of cool when he arrives. I want the Aventador and the 4GT outside, and I want the C8 Corvette sitting right here. We walk up, the garage door opens. I think that'd be cool. Yeah? No? Yeah? I think it's gonna be cool. Cold startup Lamborghini Aventador. I am gonna miss this car so much. The purple with the white wheels. I would reckon the C8 Corvette might look the best in this spec. Massive shout out to KPMF for the vinyl, to Vossen for the white wheels, to Mission for the tires, Summit Auto Lab for the awesome job wrapping. To everybody who supported me, what an amazing car, but it's headed off to a good home. Look at this entrance right here. We got Tesla Nation. What's up, dude?
How are you, man?
Nice to meet you. How was the drive?
It was good.
How long is it from Idaho?
It's like 3.5 hours.
Oh, that's not bad.
So,
did you need to charge up or anything?
I did, man. That's a pain with these bad boys, but
yeah, this
it's
thing
worth
is
it.
sick.
Thanks,
I
man.
love. Is it a wrap?
It is, yeah.
Whoa. Maybe a purple Tesla coming to your channel with white wheels, white interior?
I'm down.
That would be sick. Are you gonna open the garage or not, bro? Chandler's been waiting for 20 minutes.
Are you ready?
Come on, let's see it. Let's see it. Yeah, come on.
Wait, why isn't he doing it?
I don't know.
Which button? The big button?
Bam.
Wait, why is there an ice cream
It's
truck?
going.
Oh, sorry. Dun dun dun. I don't know if the wrench is gonna work. I think it will.
Oh.
On point right there. Random ice cream truck here too. What's up, bro?
That is rowdy.
So this is the first time you've ever seen a C8. So you bought a C8 sight unseen, you've never seen one ever, and here you are driving 4 hours buying it.
Yeah, man.
Okay, let's hear it. It sounds good. That's actually not bad. Keep that going. One more time, one more time. I'm gonna miss this car. I was just talking smack about that. It sounds pretty good. It's like an echo chamber in here. Look at that smile. That is so awesome. Dude, congratulations. I'm stoked for you.
Holy crap.
Woo.
This is a car, man.
It is. No, you're gonna love it, man. Like, I truly love the C8.
That's when you know you bought the right car. That
That's
reaction.
true. That
right
smile. I know, right?
Yeah.
It's going to a good home in Idaho. Always so generous and kind.
Take it away.
There it is.
Holy cow.
The new owner. Dude, I love it. He is on top of the world. That is so cool to see. This is the first time I've seen the car with the white wheels like driving. It looks so like, you have to admit, boys, that looks incredible. Oh, I'm gonna miss this car, but it's going to a good family in Idaho. Good, bro. Come on, Charlie. I'm trying to sell a car. The last thing we need is another Mustang driver.
Hey.
Oh, what a coincidence.
Hey.
Did you call Charlie?
Thanks for coming when as soon as
Wow,
I
get
call,
out of here.
Pull up right next to him.
No, keep your distance. Keep it far that way.
Yeah.
Far that way. Come on, bro. Oh, geez. Oh. That sounds pretty good, dude. Where are you at? Are you gonna upgrade your car or not?
Yeah, I'm actually
You're like
talking
Cinderella.
No, I'm
you got
talking
this
to people.
GT350
You know
stock
Josh?
horsepower. Yeah, I know
to people.
Josh.
Josh, 4 Horsemen, he's hooking it up.
Whoa. You remind me of the day I picked up my Gallardo. Like, it's so cool, like that childlike enthusiasm. This is so sick. Like, this morning I was like kind of a little bit, I wasn't have second thoughts or cold feet or anything, but I was like, do I want to sell this car? But now, like, I'm so stoked for you, dude. As promised, I'm gonna fill up Chandler's new C8 Corvette with fuel. Obviously, he's not used to filling up cars with fuel, rocking the Tesla. But you also have a Raptor too.
Yeah.
So you're used to it. You know what 12 miles to down is like. But I think this gets like 27 to 30 on the highway.
Yeah.
It's not bad. Those white Vossen wheels look amazing, dude. I have never actually seen the Corvette from the outside like this with the purple and white combo. Oh, I'm gonna miss this car so much. I love it. I have never seen somebody so excited to buy a car. I don't know how this has happened, but I've been pressured into a drag race, one last drag race against Chandler and his Model 3, one last launch control for the viewers. Oh, I'm gonna get destroyed, but sometimes in life, right? So are you gonna honk? Or you want me to honk?
1, 2, 3.
On the third honk we go, yeah.
Okay, so like this.
Exactly, yep. You good?
Good.
Everybody good? Okay, I'm ready when you are. No! Oh, that Tesla's fast! Boys, we just got embarrassed. I gotta retire. I'm quitting.
I think I want my money back.
I know. I was gonna say my ego took a beating, but then I realized it's your car. It doesn't matter. Should we do a take two?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Chandler just made a very good point. The Model 3 is not affected by elevation, but we are in the naturally aspirated V8. So yeah, we're gonna do our best. Okay, I sound like a loser.
You're driving, I swear.
Yeah. These guys know I'm a terrible driver, but I try my best. 1, 2, 3. Oh no! I think Chandler jumped the line. He jumped me. Oh, I don't know. I'm pretty sure well, it doesn't matter. We weren't gonna win anyways. That car's incredible.
I think I cheated a little.
You kind of jumped it, but I don't think it matters. Like,
Timed it, you know?
the instantaneous acceleration is unreal.
It's great.
Oh my gosh, I need a Tesla. I need a Roadster. Whoa, I'm not buying a Roadster.
You've got to get a Roadster.
I can't afford it. The new car is definitely not a Tesla Roadster. I promise. Like, I'm not even like joking. It is not a Tesla Roadster. Someday that would be amazing, but it's not. We are officially saying bye to the C8 Corvette as Oscar runs circles around the Ford GT. Oh, I love this car, but Chandler, he's gonna love it just as much. Congratulations, dude.
Thank you.
Safe travels back to Idaho Falls. Guys, be sure to follow Chandler's YouTube channel, link below. Go check out his video buying the C8 Corvette. Any fun like plans with the car?
We're gonna have to see, man. I'm gonna be texting you to make sure I do everything right.
Exhaust though, right?
Yes,
Definitely an
it's
exhaust. Maybe a twin turbo, maybe a wide, but we'll see.
Yep.
We'll see. All right, awesome. Safe travels, dude.
Hey, thank you so much.
Nice to meet you. Take
Trevor.
care.
We'll
See you, dude.
Man. Have a great night. You are the man.
Enjoy the car, man.
Will
I'm
do.
gonna film you leaving, so.
Thank you.
See you, dude. Have a good one. I'm gonna miss that car so much. The C8 Corvette is officially sold. It's bittersweet for sure, but it's headed off to a good home. Being around Chandler, his childlike enthusiasm, excitement, it was fun to be a part of. I'm glad that he has the car. I'm gonna miss the car. We had so many good memories in it, picking it up in Kentucky, unwrapping it with Chevy Dude, driving it to Florida, Key West, back to Utah, 173 miles per hour on the dry lake bed. Amazing car, amazing memories. Be sure to go check out Chandler's YouTube channel if you want to see what he's up to in the Corvette. He's gonna hit 1 million subs someday. I'm calling it now, I'm predicting it now, 1 million subs someday. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like, squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.